one is on today and tomorrow, and it started about 15 minutes ago, and it's an estate sale.
Right on.
Yeah.
Looking forward to it.
Mm-hmm.
All right, here we go. Big garage sale signs out in the front of the entrance here. It's gonna be right here.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's go see.
Yeah, we'll check it out.
Hello.
Oh, there's our favorite.
How are you guys?
Good. And you?
Doing good. A little cool today.
Yeah.
But that's not going to keep us away.
No.
I've been following you guys online.
Oh,
Have
awesome.
you?
I like that.
Yeah.
I can't believe all the stuff that you're looking at and that she's actually buying.
That's why I was like, I got to share this with people. No way.
Yeah, we'll get that. And it's brass.
See you later.
Wow.
It says Birks Brass. Can you read it?
Busy today.
I didn't bring my. I see that something's.
Yeah, that's upside down.
I see that something's stamped there, but I didn't bring my reading glasses.
Oh, yeah. This lampshade is sure nice.
And the lamp has like a luster finish on it.
Yeah.
Which I like.
Yeah.
Reminds me of candy.
Avon.
Oh yeah.
Surprised they have something. I guess that would be maybe a lipstick.
I was just gonna say maybe you stick your lipstick in
But
there.
that's pretty deep. I don't think you would. I don't think you'd get it out again. We always seem to find something.
So do you see any gems in there?
Any gems?
Any gems,
Like,
just things you just can't live without?
well, that thing we'll get, the brass tray.
Oh,
Yeah. Is this like ashtrays? So there's that. And then they all are separate.
Oh,
I know,
maybe.
that's kind of neat.
I don't know.
I was just trying to figure it out if it's like ashtrays maybe.
I don't know because they don't stack up that well. A lot of ones stack up, but the top
The-
one doesn't.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Wonder if you're missing a piece or
Maybe
two.
there's
Oh,
missing, maybe there's
yeah.
one missing. I don't know.
Those are so cute.
Yeah, those I remember. Those are those. I went to ceramic class. I've got a set like this too, but mine are in reds and greens.
Oh, yes. Okay, well, I think just the tray then.
Oh, okay.
Big $2. Big
Yeah.
spenders today.
One less thing though.
One.
You just think about it that way.
That's right.
Good seeing you guys.
Yeah, take care. Stay warm.
Yeah, Birks Brass.
Yeah.
Is that ever neat?
Yeah, that's what it says. Birks Brass, and then it has a number.
Huh.
So, yeah.
Interesting. I
Yeah.
don't know that I've ever run across Birks Brass before.
No, it'll be good under like a plant or something, one of my other brass pots, like, so when you're watering, you don't get it on everything.
Right. Okay.
Ready?
Let's keep going.
Okay, this one is on today and tomorrow. It started about 45 minutes ago, and there's antiques and vintage and jewelry.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
When is it my turn to try?
As soon as I can read in the car without getting sick. So, probably never. Otherwise, we won't know what addresses we're going to.
Is it threw up on the paper?
Yeah. Okay. The next turn.
Oh, okay.
And we're there.
Oh, yeah. I see that. Okay.
Should be right on the corner, I think, according to the GPS. Oh, it's a small bay. They're all pretty much on the corner.
Oh.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay. I hope it's good. Okay, let's go see.
Let's check it out.
Yeah.
I see some furs, I think.
Ooh. That's a good sign.
Some blue sky trying to poke through there
Yeah.
on this
It's trying to be nice.
gloomy,
but, yeah.
overcast day.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be hot and summery, and it's not.
Hello. 40. That's pretty, isn't it? So nice. Just wear it just every day, like today. Just wear it to the next garage sale.
There you go.
I bet you'd never be forgotten.
No, they'd be like, wow, classing up the
And
place.
you've got your garage sale queen.
Yes.
Perfect.
What do you think? Yeah.
I think you can put a top on that.
I think so.
Yes,
I can
you can. That's
fix
what I bought it
it.
for. Just, you know what? Never got around to it. It's kind of like that piece of material right there.
This here.
Big.
Oh, it's soft.
Gonna make a sheep.
Oh yeah.
Can I make a sheep?
Gonna make a sheep.
Oh, that would be perfect.
There's my sheep.
Yeah.
How's the beetle?
Oh,
50% off? No. No.
That's interesting. I think if I painted it, it would be better.
okay.
This is two-
Yeah, we can keep that.
$25 for all of this.
Cigarette cases.
Lots of old things.
Yes, and we have this.
Oh yeah, we do. The nabob spoon.
Yep.
That's the old nabob guy.
Yep.
Which I never would have known
Oh, really?
until we got the
look at
spoon.
Crystals.
They're dice for like Dungeons and Dragons, I'm pretty sure.
Wow, they're nice though. Usually they're just plastic, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, and that lamp is pretty.
Oh yeah. What's the lamp? 20.
No way.
Or is it 200?
I'm gonna set these by you. Of course. So I can look.
No, you're good.
Make that be beautiful because I had big intention.
Yeah. She's pretty good.
That's good.
Wow, look at these mirrors.
Yes.
That is really cool with these tiles.
That was our hobby doing.
Oh, okay.
Last year, so.
Very cool.
Yeah.
All the rest is regular rate. So that's $8.
I'm not sure what would you put in there.
The jewelry is 50% off the tag.
Things that
Okay.
we have on it, 50% off.
And these pearls would look lovely with that stone.
They would.
They'd be dynamite.
1954. Opens up.
Oh, they're buttons. Oh my goodness. These
We're
are
here for 2
cute.
days.
Look at that too.
What's the other thing you got here? Earrings?
And a necklace and a.
Oh, and a
Pin.
little.
Thank you. Have a
There's,
good
these are all half
Thank
price,
you.
so
You too.
but those are uranium.
Then you guys need,
No.
you need this thing.
Oh, we don't really need anything,
Oh,
but
a 1984 Texas Mickey unopened.
well, get us some glasses. We'll open it.
Need it by the end of the
Just open it, throw away the cap because we'll just drink it all. Should I check those and see? if
Sure.
they're-
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that got in there.
This was all my aunt's stuff. So some of it's good, some of it's not, some of it's just junk jewelry. But you know what?
Whatever. People like what people like. You never know.
You get a deal.
Yeah,
Yep.
that's right.
Yeah.
I like the box that they're in.
Yeah. I was hoping they would be sterling because then you'd get them if they were.
Yeah, but I don't think they're like they're. Yeah, I don't think so. Oh, look at these.
Yeah.
They're very realistic.
They are. I was gonna say their smile, their teeth and stuff are kind of realistic.
Yeah.
Swivel frame,
Ooh.
$10.
Yeah, we get that.
It's a nice one.
That is a nice one.
Friend, hello, my dear. Well, this is nice.
Yeah.
You've got a nice
Yes.
gallery going
Oh,
on.
look at this.
Oh,
Hey.
We were in the building.
you getting that too?
No.
Friend, hey?
I don't like that you can see it the glued on bottom.
Yes,
bit.
I agree.
Like it'd be better if this was not see-through.
Right.
Somebody polished these.
Yeah.
Wow. Plates.
Wow, look at these mugs. They are loud.
Yes. That'll wake you up in the morning.
Yeah.
I'm tempted by this, but
40.
yeah, and I have one like it.
You do.
Ready?
Yep. All right.
So do you want to add, Ken, do you want to add here? Ken, or did you add up?
1 plus 1 is 2.
So here's a 10.
2 plus 2 is
10, 42.50, so 42 is good.
Okay.
sold to the young couple.
There's 2.
Thank you
And
very
40.
much. You enjoy all this
Thanks,
stuff.
guys.
Thank
Do you want to
you.
give them a
Makes
card?
it beautiful.
Yeah, she's going to. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yes. I'll probably keep it. Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Awesome, guys. Well, thanks so much.
Yeah.
Be careful with that and
You're gonna
make
carry
something
those things?
beautiful.
I will.
Okay, you
Be
take
my
care.
winter project.
Good luck today. Looks like the sun's trying to finally starting to come out. So.
Good.
Have a good day.
This reminds me of the one I put wheels on.
Oh yeah.
It has holes, but
Oh yeah, it does have holes for wheels.
well, not for wheels, but
Oh no, you don't think?
but it will.
Well, what would the holes have been for?
Usually would have been like this type of a thing, but it has it's like a big stick pin kind of, and be just plastic on the bottom.
Oh, okay.
Or metal.
Right, like a plastic foot.
Yes.
It's kind of nailed into the bottom of the
Right.
leg.
That's probably what that was from. And then the thing is, one gets loose and falls out and you lose it.
Right.
And then you just take the other 3 out
Because it's wobbly after that.
you can't
Yeah.
find it anymore. Yeah. Cool.
Yeah. They mentioned your shirt.
Yeah.
Which is a cool shirt.
It is a cool shirt.
Where do you get that?
Bargainbarons.com.
Yes, and there are mugs and there are hoodies
Notebooks.
and notebooks, and there's even fitted ball caps.
Up to 5XL.
Yeah, we've got a size for everyone.
Yes.
There's something for everyone there. There's mugs. Did I mention mugs?
Yeah.
Get yourself a mug.
Really pushing those mugs.
Yeah, go check it out, bargainbears.com, guys. All right,
Okay.
on to the next. There's mugs.
Is there a mug?
3 sizes of mugs now, actually.
Oh,
I know.
Up to 3XL.
Yes. Yeah, you can get some really big mugs now on our site.
Oh yeah.
to know. Surrender to the grief. Nobody needs to know. Let go. We stir it up, create rings. We make something out of nothing. If you believe, hold on tight. Scream into the night. Make it all glow. Dress up